Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix 33 Immortals game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first thing you have to do is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, this time type -DX12 and then check if the problem is resolved. If this doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen automatizations, hit on apply and OK, launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to lower graphics settings. So if you are able to log into the game but still it crashes, then it may be due to the graphics settings problem. So if the graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So you are suggested to lower the graphics settings and after that launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update. Click on check for updates option will be available over here. You have to click on it, wait for some time, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and then check. Next, increase virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background processes, here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select it, right click on it and then click on enter. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. And once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on yes. Wait for some time. And after you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. And once your PC restarts, again log into the game. Click on the play button and then check if it's working now. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if your PC have any antivirus software installed, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. After disabling, try to log into the game and check if you can play it. But after following all the above methods, if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall 33 Immortals game and finally click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not. So using these methods, you can easily fix 33 Immortals game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.